Okay guys, to my 80 subscribers right now, and anyone in the future who might subscribe to me, I would like to make this short little video to apologize about the absolutely well-known by me, and all of you guys too if you look at my videos, all of the video footage. I don't know really where I left off with the apology, but I'll just start over. So I know the video quality has been subpar, very subpar, and that is 100% due to the camera that I'm using. So I'm using a GoPro Hero 3, a 3. We all know that that's probably, I don't even know, probably like 7 or 8-year-old technology. It's definitely a has-been thing, but it's all I got right now. I actually have 2 more cameras, one being a GoPro Hero Plus, which doesn't have a microphone jack to plug my mic in, so I can't use that guy for my my chin mount. Even though this camera and that camera both shoot 1080 video, that one just does it better. I don't know what it is, but it just makes the video quality not look as crappy as this one. And then my other camera, I have 3 camera. My third camera is a Yi 4K Plus. And I did a ton of research on the best non-GoPro action camera that was as similar to the GoPro Hero 6. I'm pretty sure that one's equivalent to. I did a ton of research trying to figure out which one is the best to buy, and I figured that I could give it a shot. So I bought it brand new. It got to me. It was absolutely amazing. It made great video just like the GoPro Hero 6 does. But the one thing that I can't find any reviews on, I can't get any feedback on at all, is it overheats. No matter what resolution I film at, the Yi 4K Plus that I have overheats and it shuts down, and it will not. I don't know what it does to itself, but it will not turn on for like 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, I turn the camera on and it'll completely reset itself and act like nothing ever happened. But if I use it for a extended amount of time, for like 30-45 minutes or so, it'll get to that point of possibly overheating. And everything on the memory card that's in the Yi at the time, it sometimes will be there and sometimes it will not. So I don't want to, you know, risk going out and making a video and none of the footage being there. So I've kind of not used the Yi for a pretty long while. I'm trying to sell actually all of my cameras, I guess, all of my cameras, and trying to get something better, because I definitely know that it is subpar. I definitely know. I can look at anybody else's videos and then look at mine, and I know that the quality is definitely suffering. And I'm going to try to fix that for you guys. For all of you 80 subscribers and possibly future subscribers. So hopefully in the next, I don't know, 2 or 3 videos or 4 videos, I try to upload now that I'm on a consistent schedule with figuring out what I want to do and where I want to go, and I'm going to try to upload videos every 3 or 4 days. So now that I'm on that schedule, hopefully in the next 2 or 3 or 4 videos that you guys see, I will have a new camera, and I'll probably do a video about the new camera, just explaining, very short video about everything. So thank you guys for dealing with it, and I will see you next time. Peace.